Hello and thank you for watching this video. Today we're going to take a look at this Halo Surface Light. It comes in a package of 6. They're LEDs. They're only 12.5 watts, but it's 874 lumens and the temperature is 5000, so it's in a cooler white. So let's take a look. So there's the 6-pack right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have your instructions. And you have hardware for each one of them. So let's take a look at one. So it's very slim. You have your cables, your ground, your twist, and take these off. You have the LEDs here, and you have your space for your screws. So you have different sizes of screws, and then you have your cable tie. The instructions are pretty clear, but just to show you, I have the junk box. Mine it's round, but you can put it on a square one. And as you can see, the holes on the junction box actually do match with the Halo light. This goes here, that one goes there. So all you have to do is put your wires according to their color, the ground, and then put the 2 screws here, and then put the shade on. In this case, I'm not going to use the adapter, but if you need the adapter, it's included. So and all you have to do is hide all the wires in there, and then put the 2 screws here, and that's it. Thank you for watching.